Okay, now that you have created three fractions that are a unit less than 1, let's go ahead and compare fractions that are either more than or less than 1/2. So these are just little patterns that you're going to start to recognize. So notice I have 2/3, 1/5, 4/6, and 3/7. If I were to have to compare these and put these in order from largest to smallest, it would help me to understand, are they more than 1/2 or are they less than 1/2? So let's go ahead and sketch them and see what happens. I notice I have 2/3, so here's my zeros, here's my ones. Okay, 2/3, that means I got to split this into 3, and I have 2 of them. 1, 2. Now, if I want to know if this is more than 1/2 or less than 1/2, I have to actually look at between 0 and 1. Where is 1/2? So let's see. 1/2 would be exactly in the middle. There's 1/2. So what do we notice about 2/3? 2/3 is more than 1/2. Now let's take a look at 1/5. 1/5 I have to cut into 5, so when it's odd, remember I always take a centerpiece out and then I split up what's left. So 1/5. Oh, well 1/5 is a unit fraction, so we actually know that that's really close to 0. So this is definitely less than 1/2. How about 4/6? Okay, so for 4/6, well, I do have to cut it into 6ths. And I notice that 4 of them, here's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. Notice that 4/6 is more than 1/2. And our last one, 7ths. Okay, 7ths is an odd number, so I'm going to take out a middle chunk and then I'm going to split this up into thirds. There we go. So 3/7. 1, 2, 3. Now notice that this is smaller than 1/2, so this one is less. So I'm going to actually have Edpuzzle ask you a couple of questions. If you need to, come back and take a look at this to help you figure out if fractions are more or less than 1/2.